Hi, Jenny here. It's dinner time and I have some chicken breasts that I made the other day I'm going to have tonight, and for a vegetable I have some red potatoes that I wanted to make, so we are going to make some roasted red potatoes in the air fryer. Let's get started. For this recipe I'm going to make probably half the bag of potatoes. We're going to need about a tablespoon of olive oil and then a teaspoon of whatever seasonings you would like. I'm going to go with garlic salt, parsley, paprika, thyme, and Italian seasoning. We are going to chop the potatoes into quarters and then put them in a bowl, and then we'll mix it up with all the seasoning. In fact, actually I'll go a little bit smaller than that. Alright, we will drizzle with about a tablespoon of olive oil, or however much it takes, to make sure that these get well coated. And then, like I said, pretty much about a teaspoon of all the other seasonings. Alright, we will just mix this all up. So that's all well coated. We'll get our air fryer. Air fryer, you want to make sure that you have your little tray inside. And we are going to heat this up at 360 for 3 minutes. The air fryer is all heated, so we are going to spray the bottom of the pan, keep the potatoes from sticking. Alright, put our potatoes in there. Too much for a single layer. Alright, you want to try to just keep them pretty much in a single layer, so we'll do this in 2 batches, and we will cook them for 10 minutes at the 360 degrees, shake them, and go for another 10. Alright, after 10 minutes, I'm just going to give them a little shake. They're looking good. They're not looking overdone or anything yet. So back in, 360. I think I'll go 8 minutes. Can always go longer if they need more time, but we'll try them at 8 and see if they're fork tender. Alright, it's after 8 minutes. They look very done. They sound crispy. A little bit stiff, not completely soft, but I don't want to overcook them. So, we'll be done with these and then we'll cook our next batch. Pour them out, not burn myself. Keep the pan in bottom. Skills! Oh yeah. The kids were gone, hubby was gone, and then they all came home. Thought I had time. The air fried potatoes are done. I'm going to have these with my dinner, but I just wanted to taste test them now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate that. I will leave this recipe down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever done air fried potatoes before. Have you ever grown potatoes? Like my cute little gardening little picture here. I've never grown potatoes. I have a little bit of a garden. I try to do a little bit of gardening every year. Something. This year I'm trying red peppers. They're not growing very quickly. They're still very small. So I don't get a lot of sun in that area. I'll have to figure out something I can grow more so in the shade. But have you ever grown potatoes? One of the YouTubers that I watch, she's grown potatoes and looks pretty interesting. Pretty neat. Anyways, I'm gonna eat my potatoes. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. My tangents, right? Talk, talk, talk. Very good. Very flavorful. Good amount of seasoning. And they're just the right amount of softness. So, I like it. Thumbs up.